From the coast to the chart, we don't compromise. Started from the dirt, now the stage on fire. Island boy dreams got me building an empire. No handout, we self-supply. From Mosby lanes to the New York sky. Yeah. Hustle talk, yeah, I live that code. Nigga need gold in the music mode. They say the tropics can't go pro, but I flip that script, now the numbers show. Every grind, every night, we made light from no light. Now the world hear the sound, so right. Nigga need way, taking flight. Island King, stack that green. From the jungle to the limousine, from the coast to the charter machine. Money moves, we built the dream. Island King, global thing. From PNG to the mainstream. No label, no scheme, just pure blood and self-esteem. I don't chase fame, I chase success. Now we trending, nothing less. From the highlands down to the ports, we export sound, that's global sports. Studio nights, no sleep in sight. Turn pain into beats, that's flight. Now they talk deals, I talk rights. On my masters, future bright.
Every drum, every beat, Nagini heart can be beat. From the block to the street, now the world moved to our heat.
Island King, stack that green. From the jungle to the limousine, from the coast to the charter machine. Money moves, we built a dream. Island King, global theme. From PNG to the mainstream. No label, no scheme, just pure blood and self-esteem. Yeah. From Port Moresby to LA, we don't play, we slay. Nagini trends, we paved the way. Island Kings forever, okay? Okay.